So here is the SYOKAMI knife set in its holder. These are the steak knives. There are 6 of these. They're very sharp. 2, 4, 6. And then you have the other specialty knives. Highly recommend that you face the blade inside, because if you move this, you could cut your hand if it's hanging off. They're so sharp. Another large knife. It's Jason. Hope that's not a favorite thing that's come. Bread knife. Nice. The weight feels good. They don't feel cheaply made. And here's a deboner. My favorite of all the knives. Remember, the blade goes inside, so it's protected from you. And then it has a sharpener file. Goes in the center. Very nice set.
Fits so nicely in this small drawer. The knives are great too. Love the handles, aren't they beautiful? And then there's magnets inside each one of the holders. Little paring knife. So they kind of just want to go in there themselves. So probably the 3 I use the most. You could take it out and put it on your counter if you wanted, but I have enough things on my counter. It stands up. So I wanted something that would fit nicely into this small drawer with the rest of my knives, and it's perfect.
These knives are awesome. Check this out. Super ripe tomato. I don't even have to be careful. Didn't mush it or anything. It's amazing.